When a prospect buys from you, he or she considers many areas because he or she wants to minimize the risk of buying from you and want to get a great value for the money they spend. I am sharing you 3 areas your customers consider in buying from you. Learn them and prepare for them. The first thing, they do compare the perceived value difference between your product and your competitors. Remember the phrase perceived value, the value they expect from you, the value they have there in their mind about your product or services and the competitors. In reality, this not be 100% true. That's why I call the perceived value. If your actual product value very much higher than the perceived value, that's a sign you have not marketed your product well or sufficiently. There is a lack of market awareness and the communication. As a salesperson, you have not convinced the value sufficiently. On the other hand, if you have created a high perceived value than the actual value, your customers may disappoint. Salespeople are notoriously known for that because you can impress the customer for a short period of time. In the long term, he will lose the trust in you. Therefore, at least you have to match your product perceived value with the actual value. When a prospect buys from you for the first time, he may have a great risk no matter how many good things you have communicated about your product, your services to your prospect. There are different strategies you can follow to minimize the buyer's risk. I personally suggest you the recommendations. That's my favorite. Recommendations from your delighted customers. You know why? Because those recommendations are given by a third party. Not by you, not by your company. No matter how good you are, your prospects more rely on third-party recommendations than what you say. There is another method to minimize the risk. If you can build a strong brand image about your product, you can sell it easily. And also, if you can build a strong brand image for your organization, you can sell more product categories under that umbrella. We call this corporate brand image. Observe P&G, Toyota, Unilever, Nestle. They all have a strong corporate brand image. Think about this carefully. This is very critical. Think about a product or service you have repeatedly purchased. Maybe insurance, maybe medical care. Think about that salesperson, that medical officer. You like him, right? That's why you repeatedly buy from him. Remember, no matter how great your products, how reputed your company, how attractive your sales pitch, if the buyer doesn't like you, they won't buy from you. Even they buy from you, there is a huge risk leaving you when the chances come. I have created many videos how you can be liked to your prospect you sell. Follow them because this is a very important factor. Alright, remember these 3 areas and be alert and is strong in them. You can definitely sell more. Good luck for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.